This man is absolutely a genius. He actually used a clock to make an air humidifier. He started by removing the back cover of the clock, taking out the gears that drive the hour in second hands, locating the crucial movement piece, separating the control board in coil from it. Considering the precision of the electronic components, to avoid damaging its functionality, he had to very patiently detach the control board and remove a small component from it. Then he dripped some molten metal onto the side. This allowed him to glue it onto a wooden board for fixing. Next, he drilled small holes into the four corners of the board. Then he heat welded two aluminum wires onto one side of the board, and did the same on the other side, bending the wires into the small holes, making the whole structure integrate with the wooden board. He hammered nails to ensure the aluminum wires would stay secure. He carefully repaired the spot where the small component was removed, creating a circuit board with positive and negative poles. Next, he needed a light bulb, separating the base from the lampshade, taking apart the lamp board and keeping only the outer shell, making a round hole and a small hole on the surface, then cutting off the cap of a water bottle, applying glue around it and embedding it into the round hole, preparing a DC fan, aligning its outlet to the small hole at the bottom and fixing it, later hollowing out the bulb's connector, replacing it with a copper tube inserted inside, also sealing it with adhesive, finally attaching the completed circuit board onto the surface. He also needed to dismantle a speaker from elsewhere, connecting it with wires and pulling the ends through the small hole, heat welding them onto the circuit board, then gluing the speaker to the top of the lampshade, reassembling it back into the shape of a bulb, pasting a CD disc onto the top, and heat welding the fan's wires onto the other side of the circuit board, making sure the positive and negative terminals were correctly connected, leaving space for a USB connector. He started pouring water through the bottle neck, filling it to the same height as the lampshade, then screwing the bottle cap tightly, plugging the USB connector into the circuit board to power it. Thus a humidifier made from recycled materials was successfully completed. So what do you think of his creativity? Out of 10, how many points would you give him?